breaking the cycle, conquering late nights for a refreshed morning. From night owl to early bird, overcoming late sleep habits for energized mornings. Not getting enough sleep can leave you feeling tired and groggy upon waking up. This could be due to a late bedtime, a restless night, or simply not allotting enough time for sufficient sleep. Even if you manage to sleep for an adequate duration, the quality of your sleep can affect how refreshed you feel upon waking. Factors like frequent awakenings, disruptions from noise or light, or sleep disorders such as insomnia or sleep apnea can impair the quality of your sleep. Mental and emotional stress can contribute to poor sleep quality and leave you feeling tired upon waking up. Stress and anxiety can make it difficult to relax and fall asleep, leading to restless nights and a sense of fatigue in the morning. Consuming excessive amounts of caffeine or alcohol can disrupt your sleep patterns and contribute to poor sleep quality. These substances can interfere with your ability to fall asleep or stay asleep, leading to morning fatigue. Your sleep environment plays a crucial role in determining sleep quality. Factors such as excessive noise, uncomfortable bedding or pillows, improper room temperature, or excessive light can disrupt your sleep and contribute to morning fatigue. Here are some tips for achieving a good night's sleep. Engaging in regular physical activity can promote better sleep. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, but avoid intense workouts close to bedtime, as they can increase alertness. Incorporate stress management techniques into your daily routine, such as practicing mindfulness, journaling, or engaging in relaxation exercises. If you find persistent stress or anxiety impacting your sleep, consider seeking professional help. If you need to nap, limit it to a short duration, around 20 to 30 minutes, and avoid napping late in the day, as it can interfere with your ability to fall asleep at night. Remember that everyone's sleep needs and preferences are unique, so it may take some trial and error to find the strategies that work best for you. If you continue to experience persistent sleep difficulties, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance and support. Thanks for watching.